So my insides are more. We are doing the Flinto experiment today. I'm gonna show you that you have never done before. I'm gonna do it without the instructions. So you need a spoon to put all the powder in. You need injections. Be careful, you have to put water in it. You need a citric acid powder. You need some baking powder. And you need some coloring agent. Be careful, it adds color to you, like it just happened to my finger. Now I'm going to show you how to do. So first you take, so this is a Flintobox experiment. So in the packet it's written little volcano, and this is the volcano, and then we have to do it. And now we're gonna put the citric acid powder. Be careful, you have to put only a little bit. I think that's enough. That's why I said that's the use of the spoon. Now, thanks for the stick, mister. Okay, now we need the baking powder to make it, like a little kind of smooth or something. Only a little bit. I think that's okay. Now some of the coloring agent. Ow. We need a little. Yeah. So this is gonna add the color to it. Now we need the stick to mix it up. So now you have to mix it. It's literally like a cotton candy. See all the citric acid powder? Now the coloring agent added color to it. And the baking powder is making it a little smooth. So we have to make it more smoother. I think we're done. Now we have to just get this injection and then spray water inside this. See, it's kind of bubbly. See, when the bubbles go away, it becomes a volcano. It will erupt in. Hey guys, we're back after 5 minutes, and we added some more baking powder. We feel the powder inside it, and now the volcano is ready. It only does like this? Why does last time it like go all the way out of the lid? I think we added too much baking powder in the last episode. We added some baking powder, that's why my hand is super white. Well, I think the stick. Okay, so now the stick is become like fully with the coloring agent. It looks like blood. See, it's dripping. It's gonna drip in my hand, isn't it? How am I supposed to hold this? It's gonna drip. Look at that coloring agent. It's so drippy. Should we do this? My hand is really messy now. Should we have to mix? Okay guys, that was a fun experiment. Now, I'm gonna just end this video. It was like a 5-minute video or something. video or something. I said video. Okay, so now, please subscribe for more. if you want more Flintobox's experiment, just subscribe and give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel, or else I'm deleting this channel because I have 0 subscribers. I don't even have like 1 million subscribers. All the YouTubers have like 1 million, except for Jake Paul. Jake Paul, if you're watching, please do that. Please subscribe. I always watch your videos with Titus. Okay, bye.